And now I will remove this stem. We will try to remove this leaves in the bottom or stem to signal the tomato plant, focusing all nutrients on the top, because it's the tomato plant are starting to produce fruits. So we will cut this stem, or I don't know what is the exact name of this, but it's the leaves or have a sign of defects. So we will remove this. It's a bit side plant, so I will cut this infecting leaves. What will happen if I bend the stalk of my major stem of my tomato once? What about we bend another one? What will happen? Soon as possible I will try. From this I will bend another 10 inches to put there, so we will see the result. We'll try to conduct an experiment of this tomato plant. We will remove all the infected leaves. I don't know if this is the sign of over, because several days are rainy season or rainy, so the soil is always wet. This is your area are not directed from the sun, almost about 4 hours only. This area will direct on the sun, because this is the wall of my neighbor. This is the house of my brad in MCGI, so that's why this area are not totally directed all the day. So I think the soil are always wet, so that's why this is the sign of. But I do not have scientific evidence. That's only another words are theory, or in it's called drawing. It's drawing evidence, because in this time I did not have any kind of equipment to analyze that. But most on research, that is the, if this curve or sign of the true weight of your soil excessive. So this is all. Thank you for watching. We will see. Salamat sa Diyos.